Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to find another question of Olympiad math. Root 5 minus 1 power upon 2 whole power 9. We need to find the value of this. How to solve? For this you can see, first of all we will assume this bracket portion root 5 minus 1 upon 2. Let me suppose it is x. Okay, so if it is x, so we will exchange the position. Just left hand side will right hand side will write here and right hand side here. We just change the position of the left hand side and right hand side numbers. Now you can see here denominator is 1, so we'll do the cross multiplication. So 2 into x is the 2x equal to this 2 is here, this 2x, and it is root 5 minus 1. It is root 5. Okay, now after that this 1 goes to left hand side, so 2x plus 1, and right hand side is root 5 only. Now squaring both side, so 2x plus 1 whole square and root 5 square. So we are using the identity a plus b whole square in left hand side, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is this 2x square plus b is 1 square plus 2ab is 2 into a is the 2x, b is 1. And right hand side root 5 square, this root cancel, this square cancel this square root, so 5 is remaining. So 2x square is the 4x square, and it is 1 square is the 1, and 2 2 ja 4x equals to 5. After that 4x square, we'll write 4x first according to standard form of quadratic equation, and it is plus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So 4x square plus 4x plus minus minus, which is minus 4 equal to 0. So we will write this equation in the quadratic standard form according. So after that you can see there is 4 is common number. So we will take out the 4 common. X square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So and this 4 goes to right hand side, so it will also become 0. So we have the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation, and so we need to find the value of here this, and in the first step we will assume this portion is the x. So first of all we will find out the value here, x square value. X square value in this equation is 1. Goes to right hand side, it will be positive, and x is the negative. So this is the x square value for this equation. Okay, so after that we'll make this equation something. This is equation number 1. Okay, and taking square both side again, squaring both side again. So x square both side, squaring both side. So it is x की power 4, and it is 1 minus x whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 into 1 into x. So 1 plus x square minus 2x, x power 4, and x power 4 1 minus 2x will write first, these two terms, and this x square we will write at the end. Why we have written here? Because we will put the value of x square from this equation number 1. Put the value of x square from equation number 1 here. X square value is 1 minus x, so x power 4. Now x power 4 is equal to 1 and 1 is the 2, and it is 2x and x is the minus 3x. Now you can see we have a power is the 4, but in the question the power is the 9. So we'll make the power 9. How to make the power 9? So for this again we are squaring both side, squaring both side. So x power 4 whole square upon 2 minus 3x whole square. Okay, now you can see the power will make power 8. 4 2s are 8. We are using the law of exponent power to power. And here again we are using the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square identity is a square it is, and b square minus 2a is the 2 and b is 3x. So it is 2 square is the 4 and it is 9x square. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12x and x power 8. Now x power 8 is as it is, and 4, first we will write the 4 here. Okay, then after that 9 minus 12xl will write first, and 9x square is the last. Why we have written last? Because we have to put again this x square value from this equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 1 minus x. So x square value is 1 minus x. Which equation? From which equation? From this equation number 1. Okay, so x power 8 is as it is. After that x power 8 equals to 4 minus 12x plus 9 goes to inside, 9 1 ja 9 and minus 9x. Okay, now 4 and 9 is the 13 and 12 and 9 is the 21, and it is x power 8. Now you can see here the x value, x square value is 1 minus x. So there is 13 minus 21x right hand side, and left hand side is x power 8. Now x power 8, but the power is 9. So what will you do here? We are not doing the square again, because if you do the square, so it will be a 16. But we have required only the power 9. So we will multiply by x only, so that the power is the x power 9. So it is x power 9. We will multiply by x both side. So 13 into x is the 13x. 21 in x into x is 21x square. So now you can see the power is 9. Now what is our x here? You can see here the x is the root 5 minus 1 upon 2 is the x. Okay, now you can see here, first of all x power 9, you can see here 21x square. First we will remove this x square. This x square value is 1 minus x again from this equation. So we'll put here x square value 21 1 minus x, so that our question is easy. So minus 21 and minus plus 21x. So 13x plus 21x, it will be a 34x minus 21. Okay, and left hand side is as it is, x power 9. Okay, now put the value of x. X is our root 5 minus 1 by 2, it is our x. Okay, so put the value of x, root 5 minus 1 by 2 power 9 is equals to 34 into root 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 21. So 34 divided by 2, it goes to 17 times. So 17 root 5 minus 1 minus 21. So 17 root 5, 17 1 ja 17 minus 21. So 17 root 5 minus plus 7 1 8, 3 or 1, 2 or 1 3. So 17 root 5 minus 38 is the value of our question, which is root 5 minus 1 by 2 power 9. So the value of this number is this. So hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.